tragic incident has surfaced from Kendrapada district where a farmer allegedly died after facing prolonged distress during the paddy procurement process. The deceased, Trilochan Naik of Junagadi village under Rajnagar block, reportedly suffered a heart attack after returning from Ramchandi rice mill, where he had spent days trying to get his produce accepted. Family members claim he ran from pillar to post for nearly 40 days after receiving a procurement message in January. Instead of accepting the crop at the mandi, officials allegedly asked him to transport it to a mill at his own expense. At the mill, he waited for 3 days without proper food, water, or rest, guarding his paddy. The family alleges deductions were made and additional payments demanded before the crop was finally accepted, resulting in financial loss and mounting stress. His brother Duryodhan Naik claims the ordeal left Trilochan deeply worried, complaining of chest pain before his sudden death. Meanwhile, Cooperative Society Secretary Gobinda Jana has denied receiving any formal complaint from either the farmer or his family ever.
भाईर थिला जनवरी 16 टुकन आमे बारंबार सोसाइटी देनी आमको 25 तारिख देले नहीं जा से आमको कही तुम सोसाइटी आनी पकईब सी पुणी मना कले कहले तुम गाड़ी खर्च कर आम देचु गाड़ी खर्च दिन 5000 3 दिन रही आम 3000 टका दे मु काली मो भाई से चिंतार नहीं मशा खाइले 3 दिन काल राति खिया ना पिया ना होटेल ना कि हाँ धान जगी रही सारा भितर काली कंटा कले टंका 3000 देगी कंटा कर धान भी 3 कुंटाल काटिले ये कुंटाल 6 किलो काटे सोसाइटी भाई चिंतार थे खाली तो कहले छाती 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 मरीगले।